One day ngingafisa ukuthi ngibe yi-judge.
Mina ngichoose ipolice ngoba ngithanda kuba yimipolice.
Ngifuna ukuba yi-judge.
Africa is a children's museum, and this is effectively a curated space where families can come together to play. We know that children learn and understand their world through play. So while they're playing, they learn science and maths, interpersonal skills, and a whole lot more. What a curated space is, as opposed to just a space filled with toys, is they're exhibits that have been thought through and are specially designed for the right level for children. They're inclusive, so all children can access them. In partnership with Bowman's, we're launching a new exhibition, which is a children's court. And this is a space where children get to come into, dress up like lawyers or judges, and participate in a court process that's facilitated by our staff. And they get to experience different roles and learn about democracy and their rights in the process.
Play Africa was introduced to us about 6 years ago for consideration to render pro bono legal services to them as they were in their startup phase of their non-profit. So we have since then rendered corporate legal services to them on a pro bono basis. With the investment that we have made now into the Childrens Courtroom, the relationship has evolved into the corporate social responsibility space. This project is a materialization of a vision. It's history, so to speak, 6 years ago with the birth of that vision.
So this is a courtroom, as you can see, but it's should be a fun space. Don't be intimidated by the space. When the kids experience or see the court for the first time, you get a lot of emotions from them. Some kids are full with excitement because they're really about to explore this thing they usually see on TV. But you also find kids who have a perception that's negative about their courts, so they're a bit intimidated when they first come. But over time, once we've briefed them, they warm up to the idea that actually a court is a beautiful place where you can have your voice heard.
All rise in court. You judges, Thokozani.
Court in session.
You may be seated.
Plaintiffs, you can start your case.
I-client lam lithi ubuntle utshontshe imizinki wamosha ne-playground.
Defender, you can start your case.
Your Honor, my client was just trying to help the children study and not playing too much. Thank you.
Please, can I see the evidence?
Your Honor, umangalele. Nge-Friday, ngomhla ka-20, 2019, wafika esikolweni umangalele. Wamosha imizwinki, wamosha ne-playground. Nginabo nobufakazi.
I've seen the evidence and I found the accused guilty.
I think the most important thing of this project that you want to introduce children at a young age to the concept of justice and to the concept of the law.
We've seen families come together and take roles and act out issues in the family that they want to discuss. We've seen schools and children come together and really learn about the different roles of the Constitution and the court.
You will see Lady Justice, and the reason why we requested the scales is precisely that children can understand that if you have a right, then you should have a corresponding responsibility as well. So if you tell a child, yes, you have a right to a safe environment, then yes, you also have a responsibility to ensure that you don't bully.
Yeah, because if muntu bambophile bamlethe court, kutazokhuluma ukuthi why wena uzijontshile lezinto.
Nje ukukhuluma ngayo pha ibosi iphepha.
We strive to go beyond the chapbook, and what we do is make an intervention which we hope will make a sincere impact on the beneficiaries of the non-profit organization. And we would like to wish Play Africa and the many young patrons that will come through its doors many hours of joyful and happy learning of the law.